Hello, my night owl friends. It is February 22nd, 2019, 3:07 a.m., and I am jumping on to talk about a recent earthquake we just had actually in Montana, which I have highlighted here. You can see 3.86 kilometers north of Manhattan, Montana. This actually popped up as a 4.0, hence the title of the video. 4 kilometers in depth, guys. Very shallow quake in a very known area. A lot of people cover this area because of the famous Yellowstone supervolcano that happens to sit in the United States, in the northwestern part of the United States, covering multiple states. Which is why it's a supervolcano. Apparently dormant, but there's been a lot of studies recently going on that it is showing signs of activity. It's always a cause for concern when we see action in California as far as seismic activity. Basically at this point, if you are over the age of 13, you pretty much know what Yellowstone is and where it is. So basically why I'm reporting this quake is because of how shallow it was, the size of it, which was changed from 4.0 to 3.8, and also because of how shallow it was, the amount of people already reporting having felt it. So that is also something you need to look out for when you're looking at these quakes. Usually the more shallow the quake, obviously the more people that feel it, especially determining where it took place to begin with, if it was in a populated area. So we went to Google Earth here. You can see I already have it marked out with this tab here. Let's just take a look at exactly where this happened. And wait, so I guess my marking was down there, but the coordinates are right. So let's follow the coordinates. That's what matters. And this is exactly the epicenter of this quake. So we can see we have looks like a residential house here. We are in the middle of nowhere. Not many close neighbors in this area. It looks like it's up in the mountains compared to this area down here. Lots of farming. Here is Manhattan. So here is their measurements, basically saying north of Manhattan. This is Manhattan, and this is up in the mountains. So this quake more than likely took place within this mountain. I'm not sure exactly on the how high this mountain rises from the pitch here at the bottom all the way up to where the quake actually happened, but nonetheless, Montana just had a pretty significant quake in their mountains, very close to Yellowstone volcano, and many people felt it, guys. So I just wanted to report that to you, and we will be back very shortly with our regular weather updates. I know it's been touch and go there lately for a bit, but we've had a lot going on. You know, life throws things at you. Got to handle them. That's how it works. So Caroline and I thank you guys very much, and we will talk very soon. Thank you very much. Bye.